Well guys, as you can see, I actually bought a house. As you can see, nobody is in here right now. It's actually my house for now, you know. I'm gonna show you that, you know, there's 2 beds. It's a hotel, okay guys, it's a hotel room. But I'm living here for now. This is the retarded bathroom. I have a drink in here because I drink. Damn. A shower. Kitchen full of freaking crap food and Coca-Cola that I bented and a nice view. Oh yeah, look at that. And yeah, you know, sometimes I use that bed and sometimes I use this bed. But you know, I'm lonely. Nobody loves me and you know, I'm lonely for now. Oh yeah, and over here is my packs of drugs. As you can see, and here's a pack of drugs. Yeah.
You need to get
What do you
glasses.
want?
Vamos, Camila.
It's the same bed.
Vamos, Camila.
It's the same bed.
Bueno, que ahí está lindo.
It's the same thing every time.
You said that before too.
Ah, el niño lo cogió todo. Pasado.